This is a Wormhole chessboard by DaveMakesStuff. It's the perfect combination between science and chess. So, I'm going to make one for Elegoo Day 2024.
Hi, I'm Matthew Stevenson, and I'm a self-proclaimed young engineer that has over 3 years experience in my field. And throughout all those years and projects, this is probably my most stressful one I've done so far. It all starts back in 2023, where I'm going to my school library as I usually do. I sit with one of my friends, let's call him George. George and I always play chess, and even though he's a lot better at it than me, I still enjoy learning by playing many games with him. And since I love science and this newfound interest of chess, I was curious on different types of chessboards. I'm talking the wackiest, skewed, and too complex to even understand type chessboards. So I fused my passion for science and making into one. I started designing in November that year, but it kind of faded away over time went on. I ended up having to move houses and move schools, and a lot of other things in life happened during the transition from 2023 to 24. But I stumbled upon Elegoo Day 2024 and thought it was a great motive to not only finish this project I hold dear to me, but also start my YouTube content endeavors. Without further ado, let's get into the process. I also want to say a huge thank you to Elegoo, even though they're not sponsoring, for such amazing machines, and hopefully so I can create the future. And that thanks extends to the amazing professional jury. I want you to know that I love what you do and that you guys are a leading role model for me. This project was very time costly, as I only have one printer to print everything, but this printer is one of the best printers I own. Like, look at this. It's printing these squares vertically and it has no trouble whatsoever. And at the end of all that printing, I'm left with all the parts, almost 1 kilogram in total. And thanks to the super easy guide I made, assembly should be a piece of cake.
I haven't tuned my support settings, which I probably should. They're a bit hard to take off. Probably should have listened to Uncle Jesse's video on support material.
One eternity later.
This is way too many, but it's fine. If you've already made your pieces, you get your piece that you've already made, and you find which side it sticks to, so it sticks to this side. So that means when I'm putting my magnets in, I want to make sure I'm putting this side down like this. So I'll go do that.
Thanks to Elegoo and the wonderful jury teams for taking your time to make opportunities like this competition available. It's so fun to design and even more to share. Now, there are a lot of things I haven't shown in this video, like designing and all the hardships I went through, simply in the interest of time. But if you would like to see that kind of content, leave a comment and subscribe if you're enjoying. Thanks for watching and stay creative.